How to use YouTube Music. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use YouTube Music. For this, you want to open Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar over here and search for YouTube Music. Once you have found it, tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, you want to open the YouTube Music app on your device. Now, if you have already signed into your YouTube app on the same device, then you will find your account there. Simply tap on that and tap on the continue option. Now, once you have been logged into your account, this is going to be the interface of YouTube Music. Here, you can find different tracks. You can also search the tracks according to these moods given over here. So as you can see, there is sad, sleep, focus, and different genres over here. Go ahead and tap on any one of that, and according to that mood, you're going to get different songs. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to find different playlist options over here. As you can see, you have the new releases here. There is featured playlist designed for you. If you scroll down, you have albums for you. Now, there are different genres found over here as well. Now, here is the section of trending songs. You can get those trending songs from here. Scroll down and you will get today's hit. Then you have top music videos over here. You also have radios below. Now in this way, you can simply scroll down and open up whichever album you prefer. So let's say that you want to open this album right here. Tap on that. Now you have the option to download the songs, but for that you require the YouTube Premium. If you want to subscribe, tap on try it for free option. You can also tap on this option over here to add this playlist to library. Now you can share this playlist by tapping on the share icon. If you tap on these three dots, you have different options such as shuffle play, start radio, play next, add to queue, save to playlist, and pin to speed dial. Now you can simply find whichever track you want to listen to and then tap on that. You can also tap on these three dots next to those tracks and get all of these options over here. Now, if you head back, tap on this profile picture over here. From here, you can access your account. You have different options such as download, history, recap, badges. You can also switch account from here. If you want to manage settings, tap on the settings option, and from here you can manage the settings as well. And in this way, you can use the YouTube Music app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.